Ever spent hours debugging tool integrations just to realize your agent forgot its own memory system? Machine learning engineers, NLP specialists, and AI architects meet the AI Agent Builder Pack. We've packed LLM function calling frameworks with API rate limit handling, vectorized memory state management, distributed task orchestration with priority queuing, and evaluation suites measuring perplexity and real world task success rates. No more juggling fragmented SDKs or writing boilerplate coordination logic. Your future self will thank you, unless you enjoy reinventing wheels, in which case, go nuts. Here's what's inside the AI Agent Builder Pack: tool integration with pre built LLM adapters for Claude, Gemini, and Mistral. Dynamic memory systems using hybrid short term buffers and long term vector databases. Multi agent coordination with role based task delegation and conflict resolution protocols. Evaluation modules tracking response latency, memory retention accuracy, and cross agent collaboration efficiency. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit, it's your agent development operating system. Installing the AI Agent Builder Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add AI agent builder pack. That's it. You'll get the complete workflow: tool connectors, memory planners, orchestration engines, and evaluation harnesses, all pre configured. Your next Claude code session picks up the tool schemas automatically. Your AI assistant gains memory management awareness, multi agent coordination logic, and evaluation reporting superpowers. Warning: may cause sudden drops in your time to first agent metrics. Ready to build smarter agents before lunch? Let's go.